Came across this, wanted to check it out. This is a pretty big one. A little bit of an incline. Wow, this thing is huge. Look at those workings. Some bird feathers. A lot of pigeons in this area. Oh, this is cool. I'm just impressed about how big this is. This is a huge adit. Huge. That's the rock. It almost looked like cement. I could almost drive my Jeep in here. Little bat's nest up there, or I'm sorry, bird's nest. Little fluff. This was a pretty modern working, so it's probably going to be pretty bare. Famous last words, you end up finding some cool stuff. Look at that. The pressure, it's starting to bend those boards pretty well. Yeah, I'm still going downhill. Trying not to shake my camera too much because I haven't tightened my camera light yet. I don't want it to make too much noise. I need to fix that. Probably do it at camp tonight. Okay, so we got a little stope here. It's more than a little, but let's take a look. It's a complete tunnel. Very cool. Well, I'm already up the ladder. Might as well go check it out. Oops. That pipe is not secure too well. And I am in here today with a friend, so if you hear somebody talking or somebody else walking, it's them. Wow. The amount of work. There's the face. Wow. Oh, wow, it even goes up. Hold on. Wow. That is some work they did. Look out, it's a ghost light. I said, look out, you're a ghost light. You're a ghost with a light.
For your video?
No.
You better warn me if you don't want me in your shots.
You're fine.
How far back does it go?
I've already warned them that you're here.
How far back does it go?
About another 50 feet.
Oh, okay. This is a lot of interesting woodwork, eh?
Yeah. Actually, it's kind of neat if you do go to the back end, because the stope that they have in the middle of the chamber, when you get to the end, it's almost perfectly square. Yeah. This is where I climbed up from. And they were thinking about going that direction. Wow. Ugh. Got tangled up in a piece of wire. Ventilation pipe. Pack rats have been using it. That's bowing a little. $600 feet. Yeah, maybe. Huh. Doesn't seem like 600. I don't think that's right. Nice looking formation there. Oh, that's a catwalk. I want up there. How secure is the pipe? Oh, hell no. Oh, that is friggin' awesome. Oh, check out what they did with that drill steel. we got here? Is this a collapse? That's what it looks like. Oh no, is it? I don't know. We'll see. Well, it goes over there a little bit. There's the air hose, the junction. Wait a second. No? I thought this went down. No. This is the end. Wow. I know this was kind of sterile, but neat. This was a neat little explore. I'm gonna go ahead and walk out, collect my friend, and walk on out. Just get you guys excited to do some exploring on your own. Do it. Have fun, be safe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.